How to create an optimized Pinterest business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create and optimize a Pinterest business account from scratch. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, an e-commerce brand, or a content creator, Pinterest can be a goldmine for free traffic. So stick with me because I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make your account stand out and get discovered. So first things first, let's head over to our Pinterest account right here. I'm going to be creating a new account in order to demonstrate this separately from my personal account. So you can just go ahead and log in your personal account on Pinterest right here. And basically right after that, we just have to head over to our Pinterest dashboard and we will be able to transfer our account from personal account to business account with a single click of a button. Now inside our page right here, just go ahead and answer some few things before we get started. And right after, it will then take us to our own homepage right here. Now, before we delve into our step-by-step tutorial, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So basically, once inside, just click on the view profile option, and simply from here, you then have to click on the convert to business option. This will go ahead and convert our personal to a business account. Now, with a business account, we will be able to publish or share ideas with images or videos. We have the ads manager to manage and track our campaigns. We have insights and analytics to discover top performing pins and ads. And lastly, we have credits and offers. Qualify for promotion, add credits, and more. So just click on the upgrade button. Now, this process right here is completely free, so you can do this anytime on your personal account. Now, if you want to go ahead and enter your own custom domain dashboards, you can just head over to the business.pinterest.com, and from there you simply have to sign up using your email address, passwords, and enter your business name. In our case, since I've converted my personal account to a business account right here, it will then be set automatically to my own name right here. Now, to basically customize our business page, you just have to head over to your account, click on edit profile, and from here you then have your business name, you have your about page, pronouns, and more. Now I'm going to use ChatGPT in order to simply go ahead and fill out the abouts and descriptions for our profile right here. But basically you want to set this up properly. After signing up, you want to go ahead and enter your profile icon, and right after you want to basically upload a professional profile photo or your own logo. Now you can simply use AI tools in order to upload your own logo if you are using a business account right here. You then want to write a compelling bio that includes relevant keywords about what you offer. You want to set your username to match your brand if possible, and lastly, you want to make sure that your email and business location are up to date. This ensures that your brand is credible and easy searchable. And so let's head over to ChatGPT right here in order to generate an about page or about description for our Pinterest account. You can just type a simple prompt like, give me a about page or about description for my Pinterest business account about a specific business topic. For example, let's go ahead and say that my business is about something like email designs. You can just put that right here, or art designs, clothing designs, and more. So just click on the send button, and right after that, ChatGPT will go ahead and give us a simple about us design. Of course, you can enter your own about me page right here the way you want to. You then have to enter your business name, and right after that, you then want to click on the save button. Now for our profile photo, you can basically use something like Leonardo AI or Canva to go ahead and edit your own profile info. Now to make things easier, we're going to use Leonardo AI right here. Now, using this tool is completely free. You just have to sign up using your Apple, Google, Microsoft, and more. In my case, I'm going to be using one of my Google accounts right here. So let's just wait for the page to finish loading, and right after, it will then take us to the Leonardo AI dashboard. Click on the image option, and simply once inside, you then want to basically enter a prompt like give me a Takoyaku business logo. In my case, since I've already generated my images right here, I can just save one of my images, and simply right after that, let's navigate back to the Pinterest business account, click on choose photo, and let's go ahead and choose my photo right here. Once again, you can just customize your photo the way you want to. You can be using Canva, or in my case, Leonardo AI to make things easier. Basically, right after that, you want to go ahead and claim your website to make it more efficient. Claiming your website lets Pinterest know that you're the verified owner, and it basically unlocks full analytics. Now, you want to go ahead and go through the settings of your account right here, and simply once inside, you then want to enter the website that you have. Now, right after entering your website, you will be able to see the claim option beside the website right here. You'll be given an HTML tag or TXT record to add through your website's backend. If you use Shopify, WordPress, or Wix, Pinterest will go ahead and give you an easy instruction to complete this. Now, once you have cleaned your website, you want to go ahead and go through your site's URL, and it will appear on your profile, and your content will be linked through your branding right here. And so right after that, you then want to start pinning and optimize your pins. Basically, you can then go ahead and upload graphics, photos, infographics, and products shoot directly. You simply want to use Canva or Photoshop to create Pinterest optimized images. It's simply 1000 by 1500 pixel. That is the ideal size for Pinterest right here. You want to go ahead and use an eye-catching image, a strong title with keywords, a keyword with rich description, a link through your product page, and blog post. From there, you then want to go ahead and know that Pinterest works like a visual search engine, so keywords really matter. Now, rich pins automatically sync metadata from your website, like your pricing and product description. They make your pins look more professional and improve your CTR. To enable them, you want to go ahead and go through the Rich Pins Validator. On Pinterest, you want to enter a product URL from your site and follow the setup instructions. Once approved, all of the pins on your domain will include extra details, boosting your credibility and SEO on Pinterest. Now, as a bonus tip, you want to go ahead and use the Pinterest Trend tool. Visit trends.pinterest.com. To see what people are actively searching for, you can use this data to create seasonal or trending content that's more likely to go viral. And so, that's how you create and fully optimize a Pinterest business account in this season. Pinterest is more than a social network. It's a powerful search engine for visual discovery. By following these steps, you can start driving traffic through your site, build brand authority, and even grow sales. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.